Understanding remote operation, simplified for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're going to explore the phrase, remote operation. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down in a simple and easy to understand way. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or just for fun, understanding phrases like these can be very useful. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand the word remote. In general, remote refers to something that is far away in distance. But in the context of technology and modern work culture, it takes on a special meaning. Here, remote often means operating from a distance, usually with the help of technology. For example, if you're controlling a drone from a distance, you're operating it remotely. Now, let's look at the word operation. In the simplest terms, operation refers to the act of working or functioning. This can be about machines, systems, or even businesses. When something is in operation, it means it's working or functioning. When we combine these two words, remote operation refers to the act of controlling, managing, or operating something from a distance. This is often done with the help of computers, the internet, or other electronic devices. For instance, when people work from home and control their office computer remotely, they are engaging in remote operation. Let's look at some practical examples. 1. Drones. Piloting a drone from the ground is a form of remote operation. 2. Telecommuting. Working from home while accessing company resources is remote operation. 3. Robotics. Engineers controlling robots in a factory from a central control room. 4. Telemedicine. Doctors providing consultations over video calls. In today's world, remote operation is becoming increasingly important. It allows for flexibility, efficiency, and safety in various fields. People can work from anywhere, control devices without being physically present, and even perform dangerous tasks safely. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of remote operation. It's a phrase that represents a significant aspect of our modern, technology-driven world. Remember, learning such terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also keeps you updated with current technological trends. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.